Good morning students. Today we discuss the history lesson 13th one. Causes of the two World War comparison. What are the immediate cause of World War I and what are the cause of World War II? Today we discuss of these comparison. First one we can see the one you can say two events are as similar. The two World War of the 20th century was also dissimilarly separated by the 21 years changes of the economic conditions, diplomatic alliance, military hardware, so many causes are there. However, purpose of the understanding these differences, the comparing the two World War, the 20th century will be a good method. We will first compare the immediate provocation, then the main cause of the two World War. What is the first immediate cause of World War I? On 28th June 1914, the Austria Prince Archduke Fritz Ferdinand, he was assassinated by a Serbian fanatic. A Serbian was murdered. This Archduke Fritz Ferdinand. Then Austria demanded the Serbia hand over the culprit to Austria, but Serbia is not listening the Austria warning. That's why next within 1 week Austria declared a war on the Serbia. Already Serbia has a military treaty along with the Germany. That's why these war turned to in European country, one to another countries are involved in the war. It turned as a World War I. Next, what is the second immediately cause of the World War II? On September 1st, 1939, Hitler army invaded in the Poland in the name of the freezing or make a freedom, the occupation of the Danzig port. These systems we can observe in the world history how they are making great role played. Similarly, immediately provocation of the World War II was Germany was a tank invaded the Poland on September 1st, 1939. Hitler invaded the Poland as a punishment for the refusing the hand over the port of the Danzig to Germany. The Polish territory lay between the two parts of the Germany from this port. Hitler thought to take over the Poland, it will be a small military operation. He thought it is small military operation, but it turned as a World War II because already these Poland defense pact with the Britain. Britain was jumped into the war along with the Germany. So Germany side automatically the allied group of Italy also declared. This side we can the Polish side France also joined in the day later at the beginning the World War II. After Britain or France when they are joining against of the Germany, the war declared into the World War. So now let us the long term causes. What are the World War II? The long term causes. World War I and World War II also we can observe. There are the four causes are there. One is the aggressive nationalism. Second one is the imperialism. Third one, secret alliance. The fourth one, militarism. What are they? Specifically we can explaining each paragraph. Aggressive nationalism. What do you mean by aggressive nationalism? Once pride their nation. Once pride and love their mother country and their language and their race. Hated other races. That is called aggressive nationalism. See there, the ideology of the nationalism is a positive impulse. It was foundation by the modern states, name of the states, and force behind the unification of the Germany and Italy. But this ideology could also use it to create the pride, one itself hated against the other countries. This hatred was slowly built up in the 19th century between the states of the European countries. That's why Italy, fascism is created in 1923. A national socialism in the part of the Germany, Nazism is created by the Hitler. So these fascism and Nazism, both two sides, they belongs to their nation's pride. They make to hate the other country peoples. It's a biggest problem from the other peoples. The fascists played up the spirit aggressive nationalism and tried to build imagine the victory of the Germany ruling over the world wide and mobilize the Germany against the other nations in the Europe. Next, imperialism. What we call imperialism? Most part of the occupied of the weakened countries by the pressuring force or any occupation, they looted these colonies for the raw material, sometimes working labors, they are using. As industrial capital developed the European countries like Britain and Germany and United States, they need market for their product. That's why to access of raw material also from the countries as a capital further accumulated bank and financial institutions. Look at the safe instrument places. That's why by end of the 19th century there is a race raised for the colonies between European countries, Britain to Germany, France to Italy. Like this they are competing one to another. These government of these countries acted the behalf of the capitalist and increased their area of influence, reducing the other competitors. So each country has to influence for the sake of the capitalist persons only they can run it, not sake of the peoples. These situation we can observe in the Second World War. The new industrial policies like Germany, Japan, Italy emerged as a new superpower powers. They want also redivide the colonies among their army strength. That's why the world powers who are the sun never sets country, the Germany, sorry, the Britain is not ready to lose their colonies. But at the same time, Germany also demanding for the colonies to divide or sharing part. These one are raised, the make secret alliance and military strength they are increased. These create much stress of the leading the wars. Now, what are these secret alliance? You know very well. Through the secret alliance in 1870, Bismarck, who are the Germany Chancellor, unification of the Germany, is decided not to isolate it. That's why he achieved the end of the enter into the secret alliance with Austria 1879, 1882 in Italy. This defensive alliance was made the party of the save the Austria and from Russia, Italy from France. Like this, one to another make a great allied powers. At the same time, Britain also 1904. Russia with Russia, France became a one group. It is created. That is called triple entity. The triple alliance leader of the Germany, triple entity made by the Britain. Like these two groups are jealously, suspiciously one to another, and hated. They are competed one to another country ready to win. Okay, tomorrow remaining part. Thank you.